Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about arithmetic mean for continuous series. And as you know, in my previous video I have already discussed the details about arithmetic mean for individual observations and a discrete series. Link of the playlist is given in the description as well as here in the I button. So let's take the question for this continuous series. So question is that calculate the arithmetic mean of exceedents per week for the given data. In first column it is given number of exceedents which is 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. In second column number of weeks are given, that is 10, 5, 12, 9 and 16. Now coming to the solution. So this type of data is known as continuous series and it can be solved by two methods, that is direct method and a shortcut method. So coming to the first one, that is direct method. And as you know, formula for a direct method is equal to x bar is equal to summation fm divided by n. So here first we have to make a column. So as you know, this is the x, so it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And this is the frequency, that is f, so it will be 10, 5, 12, 9 and 16. Now in next column we have to calculate m, that is mid value. So m is equal to starting value plus ending value, means 0 plus 10 by 2. So it will be 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Similarly we will calculate for all. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 by 2 is equal to 15. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. 50 by 2 is equal to 25. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. 70 by 2 is equal to 35. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. 90 by 2 is equal to 45. Now here we have to calculate fm in the next column. So 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 5 into 15 is equal to 75. 12 into 25 is equal to 300. 9 into 35 is equal to 315 and 16 into 45 is equal to 720. Now here we have to calculate the value of n, and n is equal to 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 12 is equal to 27, 27 plus 9 is equal to 36, 36 plus 16 is equal to 52. It means 52 weeks are present in a year. This is for 1 year. Now here we will calculate summation fm. So summation fm is equal to sum of all these values. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So here it will be 0. Now 1 will be the carry forward. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, 13 plus 1 is equal to 14, 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Now 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 7 plus equal to 14. Now here we are having the value of summation fm and n. So x bar is equal to summation fn, that is 1460 divided by n. So here n is equal to 52, so it will be 52, and after calculation we will get 28.08. So as per the question we have to calculate the arithmetic mean of exceedents per week of the given data. So arithmetic mean for this data will be 28.08 and it will be equivalent to 28 exceedents per week. So this will be our answer. So this is the solution as per the direct method. Now we will solve this same question by using shortcut method, and after that also we will get the same answer. So you can take a screenshot of this solution. After that we will solve this question by using shortcut method. Now we will solve same question by using shortcut method. And the formula for shortcut method is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd divided by n. So here a is equal to assumed mean, and here we have to assume any mean. For example, here I am taking 30 as assumed mean. It may be 20, it may be 25. That is according to your convenience. You can take any value. Now let's take the first column. So it is for x, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Now coming to the second column, that is for frequency, that is 10, 5, 12, 9, and 16. In third column, we have to calculate mid value as we have calculated earlier. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. 50 by 2 is equal to 25. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. 70 by 2 is equal to 35. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. 90 by 2 is equal to 45. Now in next column we have to calculate the d value, and as you know d is equal to x minus a. Here d is equal to m minus a. So here it will be m, that is midpoint, minus a. A is equal to 30 in this question. So it will be 5 minus 30 is equal to minus 25. 15 minus 30 is equal to minus 15. 25 minus 30 is equal to minus 5. 35 minus 30 is equal to plus 5. And 45 minus 30 is equal to plus 15. Now here as per this formula we have to calculate summation fd. So in last column we will calculate f into d. So here 10 into minus 25 is equal to minus 250. 15 into 5 is equal to minus 75. Minus 5 into 12 is equal to minus 60. 9 into plus 5 is equal to plus 45. 16 into plus 15 is equal to plus 240. Now here we have to calculate summation fd. So summation fd is equal to minus 250 minus 75 is equal to minus 325. Minus 325 minus 60 is equal to minus 385. So it will be minus 385. Now we will calculate this plus value. So it will be 240 plus 45 is equal to plus 285. So minus 385 plus 285 is equal to minus 100. Now here we are having the value of summation ft. Here we are having the value of n. So n is equal to again 10 plus 5, 15 plus 12, 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 16 is equal to 52. Now we will put all these values in this formula. So it will be x bar is equal to a, that is 30, plus summation fd, that is minus 100. So it will be minus 100 divided by n, that is 52. So it will be 30. Here it is plus, it is minus. So it will be minus 100 divided by 52 will be 1.92. And after solving this we will get 28.08. and in direct method also we got the same result, that is 28.08. this is the arithmetic mean. It will be equivalent to 28, and this will be our answer. So this is the complete solution of this question, and this is the details about this continuous series. Now in my next video I will take some different type of, some complicated type of examples or questions. Then we will solve those questions for this arithmetic mean. Thank you.